Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add an app password in the Bluesky app. This is an important security feature that allows you to use third-party apps safely without sharing your main account password. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you are in Privacy and Security, locate the App Password option and click on it. Next, click on Add App Password to start creating a new password. Then, you will be asked to enter a unique name for this password. Make sure to choose a name that you will recognize easily. After entering the name, click Next. The app will then generate a secure password for you automatically. Finally, always store this password safely and avoid sharing it with others. Using app passwords is an effective way to keep your account secure while still allowing access to other apps. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks for watching.